Ever wondered what it really costs to raise a child in some of the biggest cities in the US? Today, we're diving deep into the numbers to help you plan better for your family's future. Welcome to New Mom and Dad, where we bring you essential tips and insights for your parenting journey. Raising a child is a beautiful journey, but it also comes with significant financial responsibilities. Understanding these costs can help families better prepare and make informed decisions. Let's break down the key expenses and see how they stack up in different cities across the US. To understand the cost of raising a child, we need to consider several key expenses. 1. Housing, often the largest expense, covering rent or mortgage and utilities. 2. Childcare and education, daycare, preschool, and later, school expenses. 3. Food. Nutrition is crucial, from baby formula to regular meals. 4. Healthcare. Regular checkups, vaccinations, and occasional emergencies. 5. Transportation, whether it's public transport or car expenses. 6. Clothing. Kids grow fast, so clothing is a recurring expense. 7. Miscellaneous. This includes toys, entertainment, and other unforeseen costs. Let's dive into the numbers. Here's a breakdown of the average annual cost of raising a child in various major US cities. 1. San Francisco, $35,000. 2. Santa Cruz, $32,500. 3. San Jose, $30,000. 4. Boston, $28,500. 5. Ann Arbor, $26,000. 6. Houston, $24,000. These figures include all the expenses we've just discussed. As you can see, costs vary significantly from one city to another. For example, housing in San Francisco can be almost double that of Houston. When we compare these costs, it's clear that some cities are more budget-friendly than others. Here's a quick ranking from most to least cost-effective. 1. Houston. 2. Ann Arbor. 3. Boston. 4. San Jose. 5. Santa Cruz. 6. San Francisco. It's interesting to note that while San Francisco tops the list in terms of expenses, Houston is the most cost-friendly city among those we looked at. This kind of information can be crucial for families considering relocation or budgeting for their growing family. To wrap up, understanding the cost of raising a child in different cities helps you make better financial plans and decisions for your family. Whether you live in a high-cost city like San Francisco or a more affordable one like Houston, planning is key. Thank you for watching New Mom and Dad. If you found this video helpful, please press that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below sharing your experiences or tips for saving money while raising kids. Your feedback means a lot to us and helps us create more valuable content for you. Stay tuned for more tips and insights on your parenting journey. Until next time, happy parenting from New Mom and Dad.